Foul him out, but that beat kaya. Foul. This guy.
Grade 6.
Long pass to number 3. Almost number 13. Pass to number 143. Now good rebound by Hernandez. Pass to number 7. Kita ng pasahan. Itoyo.
Sayang bola to.
Okay. Who's called there? Number 02, Lusco. Lusco, you have 3 for third personal foul. 14-second shot clock. Tubira na 3, number 3, wala. Pero nakuha ni Cabaya.
Pas na kayo. Relax lang tato.
Dribble pa man ganyan.
15 seconds. Number 3, pass to number 4.
Dagan, no?
Pass to 20. Stepping on the line, bola pa rin sa Kapitan Tomas. Same ball. Substitution. Out Lusco, number 02 in number 17. 14-second shot clock. Asa na bola? Bola daw sila. Asa bola rin? Bola daw. Okay. Pass to Kabayan. 7.
Dapat gisugat ang bola ba? Ilang sugat ba sa bola? Ay, nako! Stilan.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Bola number 17, pass to Hernandez. Ipasa kay Gluon. Wala yung inumun sa doon sa ilalo. Number 13, pass to number 3. Foul. Who's called there? Number 12. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Let's get good for his first throw.
Pat na lang.
31-27.
Bukod na. Bukod na kalaban mo.
Tama, wala siya doon.
Pasa to number 1. Dito sa gawas. Wala. Nakuha niya po sa number 4. Strong right. Not good.
Iya, mali patas mo niya bola. Di maya gunitan. Ibaba niya ba gunitan?
Secures na rebound.
Stepping pa yun.
Wow. Remaining time. 20 seconds. Foul down in number 1. Foul in number 1. 37-31 in favor of San Roque.